In this video, you will learn how to scan patients for the Invisalign palatal expander system using the iTero element scanners and imaging system. Prior to scanning patients for treatment with Invisalign palatal expander, clean the teeth thoroughly to remove plaque around the gum line and expose as much of the tooth's crown surface as possible. Start by clicking the New Scan button. Fill in the RX and select Invisalign Vivera procedure and pick the procedure type Invisalign palatal expander. Make sure to fully capture the upper arch definition before scanning the palate. Ensure that at least 3 mm of gingiva tissue above the posterior teeth is captured from the gingival margin or from the cemento-enamel junction line. Start the palate scanning with a straight line from the incisive papilla to the posterior area of the palate. This line must capture until the distal intermolar line. Scan from the palatal surface of the permanent right molar across to the midline, following the curvature of the vault. Scan across to the midline following the curvature of the vault on the other side of the palate, ensuring a line between the permanent molars is reached. To complete the palate scan, fill all the voids on the left and right sides of the palate that are visible from an occlusal view. Ensure the entire palate is scanned. The palatal scan must capture the line connecting the distal surfaces of the upper first permanent molars. The gingiva scan must capture at least 3 mm above the gingiva or CEJ line. Ensure the entire palate is captured and there are no voids present. After completing the upper arch scan with all the requirements, complete the scan by capturing the lower arch and the bite. Once you completed scanning, review the scan and submit the case. It starts with iTero.